Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, today we're dealing with iron stains. Let's go. So this is my privacy fence. It's one of those white extruded vinyl fences. It's for the trash area. And as you can see, it's got a lot of splatterage of iron stains from all my micronutrients and liquid fertilizers over the months and years. So it's high time that I got a product here, and it's time to use it to see if it's effective, because I'm tired of staring at these stains. This particular one is made by Iron Out. All you gotta do is spray it on, let it sit for a few seconds, and then just hose it off. Let me know your thoughts, because as I was spraying this on, before I even gave it a chance to sit, I can already see the spots disappearing. But you let me know. Good news is also this is safe for your shrubs, your landscape. It's safe for your grass. However, I do recommend extra rinsing it down just to be extra safe.
There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a